जय जय श्री सुदर्शना अगर முதல எழுத்தெல்லாம் ஆதி பகவன் முதற்றே உலகு நம்ம சம்பிரதாய மஞ்சரி இ பாட்சாலால தமிழ் லெவல் 0ல இருக்கும். ஆல்மோஸ்ட் இந்த லெவல் 0ங்கிறது முடிய போகிறது. ஏன்னா நம்ம ரீடிங் ப்ராக்டிஸ்க்கு வந்துட்டோம். எங்கே ஆரம்பித்தோம்? we started with உயிரெழுத்து, then moved to மெய்யெழுத்து, later உயிர்மெய் எழுத்து, the formation of உயிர்மெய் எழுத்து, and we have learnt about the transliteration and the phonetic sound of உயிர்மெய் எழுத்துக்கள், மெய் எழுத்துக்கள் and உயிரெழுத்துக்கள். Later we started with one letter word, two letter word, and few rhyming words we have been seeing in past 2 sessions at least. Why? Because there is a difference which has to be visible when you are reading a particular word with the lakaram, because we have two types of lakaram in Tamil. Periya la, chinna la, periya la, and la is a very unique letter with Tamil and Malayalam alone. So nakaram also the same thing. So na you have to fold your tongue when you pronounce moonu suri na. So we have seen those rhyming words, and ra also. Here you don't need to fold, but you have to stress periya ra. Aram is an instrument. Aram seiya virumbu. So aram is different. So these are the few techniques we have learnt to read a word. Okay, I have just given the meaning, not the Tamil transliteration of any Tamil word. I hope you are at a stage where you can identify the letter and try to read that particular letter. Okay, so unless you practice more number of words, reading more number of words, you cannot get the Tamil pronunciation, or you cannot get the flow of reading. So I cover one more reading practice session of words today. Next class it will be a sentence from Tamil Prabandham. Let's start with the very simple lines from Thirupallandu, Thirupavai, and Adaikalapattu. Okay, so this is what the plan for next week. I will try to cover the measurement. It will be just an introduction session. Okay, the measurement in Tamil. So what is pending? I am trying to explain what are the things that are pending to be covered. The measurement in Tamil, the pasrams. Okay, because you need to know how to read a particular line in a pasram. So that I will try to teach. Then a basic introduction to grammar. Very basic introduction. Very basic introduction. You just know about it. We don't know about the level 1 as such. There is no level 1 in Tamil that which teaches about the Tamil grammar and the gender difference, all those stuff. So as of now, no. This session is meant for reading Tamil words, reading Tamil pasarams, using Tamil text. Okay, so 2 more sessions are there. I am sure at least within 2 more sessions you can comfortably read small words. Okay. Once you keep on reading that, you can able to read the full Pasram using Tamil text. So reading is more important. Meaning is like when you read more number of words. I will try to share some references for Tamil dictionary. So when you read more, you will get to know about the meaning. When you speak more, when you keep on talking in Tamil, you will get to know more words. Unless you try, you won't get. Okay. So try it. Please try it. Try reading it. This is the challenge. You have to read. Now we have covered such an extensive word list that was not covered by any other online Tamil class. Because I have checked with I've shared this with a few other kids, and they were very, they were finding little difficult here and there to read, but they found it very interesting to read whatever we have shared here, and they said it is helping them to learn lot of words. So such a detailed list we have provided, detailed number of words we have provided for each and every letter. It is your enthusiasm to read and to make practice of reading Tamil words using Tamil text. So this is a request. With this request, I will go to today's. We have seen few rhyming words. I have added few more just to recollect how it will be. Okay. So I. This is the sound. I. With I, what and all words you will get? Kai, mai, pai, tai. So these words have meaning. These are one letter words because each letter has a meaning. Kai, hand, mai, kajal, pai, bag, tai, month name. So this is one type of rhyming word having the same sound. Second, we have seen some more rhyming word in last class where it has the same sound but the meaning is different. Just because of nakaram, one will be with the small na, one will be with the big na. Same lakaram, the meaning gets different. So we have seen that also. We are going to see some more of that type. Po, o sound. O, that sound. Po, va, na, ta, pa. So po means go. Va means come. Na means knock. Okay. And pa means part. Pakal, pasrams. Pa, malai. Pa means the song. Okay. What I said. O, va, ta means give. Okay. Ta means give. Pa means pasrams or songs. Okay. Na means navadakam, knock. Okay. Va means come. Po means go. So each letter has a meaning, so hence it becomes one letter words. Okay. Still it is low. Is my sound audible? Is my voice audible? Okay, fine. Ittam. sound is ittam. Ittam. It you have to pronounce. It's very important. It you have to pronounce. Pattam. Since few kids are learning Amalanadipiran, I would like to mention it here. Muni yeri tani puhundu. This is a word. It will come. This is a line. It will come in Amalanadipiran, right? Muni yeri tani puhundu. This will come. Muni yeri tani puhundu. Here, there is an otrayut in between Muni yeri and tani puhundu. There will be a otrayut. It. Okay. So you have to pronounce that it. How you will pronounce? Muniyeri tani puhundu. Tani puhundu. You should not lock your lip when you say tani puhundu. If you say ip, then meaning will become different. So there you should not lock your lip. You have to say that tani puhundu at a stretch as one word. Tani puhundu. If you say like that, then what you will hear? No, you will hear a ip sound in between tani and puhundu. You should not say like that. You have to pronounce tani puhundu. Whereas muniyeri tani puhundu. Muniyeri tani puhundu is how you have to say. So, this is what we are going to see in next session. How to read a pasuram, how to pronounce that particular otrayut sandhi. Okay, so that we will going to see. So that's why we are seeing these words. Padam different. Pattam, it you have to pronounce. Ittam is the rhyming word sound. Ittam. Pattam, sattam, nattam, vattam, kattam. Okay. So many things are there. Ittam is the sound. It, ta, im. Ittam. You can add n number of, more number of prefix. But it should have some meaning. It should give some meaning. Pattam, sattam, nattam, ottam, vattam, kattam. Each word has a meaning. You understood? You understood what I am trying to say? Ittam is the sound. We are adding a different prefix to get different sounds. Different words. But the sound is same. Pa if you add pattam. Sa if you add sattam. O if you add ottam. Va if you add vattam. Ka if you add kattam. Na if you add nattam. Okay? Are you able to follow what I am trying to say? So the sound is same, but with the prefix we are generating different types of words. Okay? Now, in, man, ten, neen, nan, man, neen, ten, nan. Like that it goes. In is rendu suri na. So don't need to fold your tongue. Man, neen, ten, nan. Okay? Pan. Like that. Tan. Tan means tanaha. Self. Okay? Then coming to next. So one is that same sound we have seen, no? Now another type of rhyming word is kuril and nedil. So if I change the prefix kuril to nedil, then it gives different meaning. Sound will be, it becomes nedil. Nedil sound. Okay, first one will be kuril sound, kutrayut. Next one will be nedil. Okay. Pa, il, pal. Pa il pal. Ka il kal. Ka il kal. That's all. That's how it goes. Me in all, everything. You all remember, no? A, I, u, e. The same one I am giving. O. These two are different. A, I is kuril. E, nedil. U, kuril. U, nedil. E, kuril. E, nedil. I, kuril. Sorry, nedil. I is nedil. O, kuril. O, nedil. So take that pair. I am taking only those two pair. A, I, u, e, o. Only these pairs I have taken. Okay, one will be kuril, one will be nedil. Pal, pal. Kal, kal. Min means electricity. Mean, fish. Kan, eyes. Kan, seeing. Kan, it represents the verb. Kan, it represents the sense organ. This represents the verb, action word. Okay. Sell, sol. Sell means go. Sol means words. Okay. Circle. Okay. Or sol means sol. Just say like that. Also, it will come. Okay. Kuri. Kuri means that aim. Okay. Kuri. Again, this comes as a verb. Kurudal. Kurudal means to say. Danaim. Danam. Not tanam. This is because it comes from Sanskritam. In Tamil, we have a different word. Selvam. Selvam means wealth. Dhanam also wealth. Okay. Dhanam. Again, this also Vadamari soul. It is from Sanskritam. In Tamil, we have word called Kodai. Kodai means to give. Okay, same. Dhanam. Dhanam. So, coming to kodu. Kodu. Kodu means giving. Kodu means line. Line, L-I-N-E, line. Vanam, forest. Vanam, sky. So these are the rhyming words just I have given to make sure you are reading ma as ma, not ma. Okay. Madu. Madu means pond. If you say as madu, it means cow. Vali. Vali means air. Vali, bucket. Okay. Manam, mind. Manam, honor. Okay. So, kodu. Vanam, vanam. Madu, madu. Vali, manam, manam. You understood the rhyming words? One is with same sound, but with a different prefix. Another one is with kuril, nedil, the difference. Though it ends with the same suffix. Suffix same, prefix different. Here, sound same, but prefix different. Okay. Prefix, here the prefix is Kuril and Nedil. They are random letters. Okay. So that's how it has been given. You have to practice both. Then only you can understand the sequence. Mama, Mimmi, Mumu, Memme. Okay. Like that. Papa, Pipi, Pupu, Pepe. Like that it has to be. Once you see Pa, just recollect all உயிர்மை எழுத்துக்கள். Papa, Pipi, I, Pai, Popo, Pau, Au. Till that you have to remember. Once you identify the letter Pa, you have to recollect the entire sequence. Then only you can read this as Pa. If I give Pu instead of Pa, it is Pul. Pul. Pul is also there. So how Pu will be there? Pa, in that you have, the line will be drawn below, right? So Pu. You have to remember that Pu. Po. Po. Pol. There is one more word with this ill. Pol. Okay. So kindly recollect all the உயிர்மை எழுத்து given to you in that table. The entire sequence. At least remember. So if Otrakombu comes before with, and then a letter and then this symbol, then it is O. If it is Rettai Kombu, then Ko. Without this Tunaikal or without this symbol, it becomes K. Without this symbol, this becomes K. Kedu, Kedu. We have a word for that also. Okay. So kindly read that உயிர்மை எழுத்துக்கள் table. Then only you can read the words easily. Okay. I guess this I have given practice, right? No, this I have given, this yet to give. Okay. What I will do now is, I will be going to read 1, 2. These two. Last two is a practice. It's an assignment. You have to try. You have to try on your own. Next class, before session, whoever joins, they have to read and show to me. If you are sending in voice message, the telegram, then it is okay. If not, you have to read in class before the session. Then only I will able to get till how much you have understand, what I have to revisit and what I have to teach again. Okay. So I am going to read 1, 2. You please read, record and send. 3, 4 read on your own, record and send. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. Listen. Neer, 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 neer. நீ இங்கு க இல் நீங்கள் ing plus ka, you have to inga. நீங்கள் me in mean, mean. Okay, I told no. Pu, pu il pull, mu il mul, pu yu pulu, pulu, pu du pudu, adu adu, tu ni tuni, kudu 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 kudu, pe ir ra im, pe ir ra im. When you read petram, itra, you have to read this as itra. You should not read it as perram. No. Itra, petra, petram, itra, like that. Tra. You have to say like that. Petram. Na, ing, ga, il, nangal. Ki, il, kil. Na, du, nadu. Ka, du, kadu. O, du, odu. Pa, du, padu. A, ru, aru. Vi, du, vidu. Tu, ikka, im. Tu, kam. See, I am saying that mayurth. Listen carefully. Tu, kam. I will not say explicitly, but I have to, your tu, ik. So this has to be come from your kantam, that is from your throat. Tu, kam, ikkam, ikkam. This is how it has to be pronounced. Dukkam, ikkam, ikk. So just remember, whenever there is a mayurth in between the letters, you have to pronounce that mayurth. Okay. So, nangal, ingal, tingal. Okay, ningal, nangal, ingal, ingal. This is how you have to pronounce it. Itraim, petram. It is ra only, but when there is a same sequence mayurth before that uir mayurth, then you have to read it as itra, itra. Okay, ikka, ikka. So tu ka im, tu kam, tu in, tun, ko, ko, du, kodu. Many are repeated, many I have covered in the rhyming word, so try it on your own. You will read, because we have covered all these type of words in our sessions. Please give a try. Unless you try, it will be difficult to read Tamil words. So please try. I want to know how you have understood. Okay. So please give a try. Please read, record and send. Okay. So I will read one more time. Neer, ningal, ingal. Okay. Neen, pull, mul, pulu, pudu, adu, tuni, kudu, petram, nangal, keel, nadu, kadu, odu, padu, aru, vidu, tukam, tun, kodu. Okay. So this I have covered. I have given these two as an assignment I yet to receive. So we will cover those in next session. This is Tamil month name. Since it's Chittirai today starting, okay, the new year, Tamil Puttandu is today. Okay, so we will read. This month is Chittirai. Next month is Vaigasi. Chittirai, Vaigasi, Ani, Adi, Avani, Puratasi, Aipasi, Kartigai, Margali, Tai, Masi, Panguni. Chittirai, Vaigasi. Chittirai is the current month name. Okay. Vaigasi, Ani, Adi, Avani, Puratasi, Aipasi, Kartigai. See here. Kar, Ittigai, Ittigai, It. You have to say this it like your tongue should touch the teeth, upper teeth. Okay. It. You have to bite your tongue with teeth. Then you will hear the sound it. Okay. Kartigai, Margali, Tai, Masi, Inguni, Panguni, Inguni, Ing, Ang, Yeng. Okay, Panguni. Okay. So, with this, I am ending today's session. Dhanyasmi, please do the assignment and send it to us in Telegram channel. Jai Jai Shri Sudarshana.